What if two people live almost the same life, but one small decision makes one of them a millionaire and the other one struggles forever? This is Alex and Daniel. They grow up in the same city, same school, same opportunities. At 18, their lives look identical, but one small habit changes everything. At 18, Alex starts investing, just $200 a month. Nothing crazy, no shortcuts, just consistency. At first, nothing happens. After 1 year, $2,400. After 3 years, $7,200. It feels slow, almost pointless. Meanwhile, Daniel lives differently. He spends more, enjoys more, buys what he wants. And honestly, his life looks better. He thinks, I'll start later. I have time. At 25, Alex keeps going. Now, his money starts to grow faster. $15,000, then $25,000. Not because he invested more, but because time is working for him. Daniel is 25 too. He has a good job, makes more money, but he also spends more. Lifestyle increases, saving feels harder. At 30, he finally starts investing. Now he puts in $400 a month, double what Alex started with. But he's already behind. At 35, Alex is far ahead, $120,000 and growing faster every year. Daniel is trying to catch up, but it feels like running uphill. At 40, the difference is massive. Alex's money is making more money. Daniel is still trading time for money. At 50, Alex has over $1 million. He has freedom, options, peace. Daniel is not broke, but he still depends on work, still chasing time that he can't get back. The difference was never intelligence. It wasn't luck. It was time. Start early, and time works for you. Start late, and you spend your life chasing it.